Get ready for an electrifying tech exploration as we plunge headfirst into the captivating realm of the Anker 737, a portable charger that has taken the market by storm. But wait, hold your applause. Unlike the usual parade of praises you find in every corner of the internet, we're rewiring the game today. Brace yourself for an unfiltered dive into the lesser-known facets of this powerhouse. In this tantalizing expose, we'll unravel the shadows and shed light on the reasons that might just make you pump the brakes on that purchase button. Now, before you charge ahead, remember, our mission isn't to discourage your acquisition dreams, but rather to equip you with the insights that can turn your purchase journey into a shockingly informed one. No more beating around the charging bush. Let's zap right into it. Build quality. Picture this. The PowerCore 24K, a veritable hunk of technology, is as robust as a brick from an outhouse, weighty, dependable, and boldly ergonomic challenged. But hey, this powerhouse is all about standing its ground. Wherever you place it, it holds its fort with unwavering resolve. A twist in the tale? This brick-like might also moonlight as a stylish paperweight, though it's far too busy being your trusty companion on the go. Now let's chat design. Charcoal black, sure, but there's an understated elegance that gets a grip on you, quite literally. With the textured edge, it's a sleek transition from the gunmetal silver front to the stealthy black gloss plastic. Oh, and here's a magic trick. The OLED display remains incognito until you summon its powers. Talk about a veteran move that still commands attention. But hang on, there's an elephant lurking around the PowerCore 24K party, and it's all about the port labeling. Picture this. Blank spaces galore, but navigating the ports is like deciphering hieroglyphics in the dark. Black on black labeling. Someone's been on an invisibility potion binge. Brace yourself for a pre-charging ritual, where memorization of port functions is the key to success. And here's the juicy twist. Only one of the dynamic USB Type-C duo gets to do the charging dance. In an ideal world, a full-on port revelation with their secret talents and limitations would be a techie dream. Because let's face it, these ports have hidden depths that require a bit of decoding. It's the yin and yang of the PowerCore 24K, the rugged reliability that stands tall against the cryptic port puzzle. So whether you're nodding in agreement or scratching your head in contemplation, one thing's clear. This gadget is an enigma wrapped in a powerhouse, and it's up to you to unravel its secrets. Charging and recharging. Hold on tight, tech aficionados, because the PowerCore 24K is about to redefine the way you charge. Brace yourselves for a mind-boggling 140-watt power extravaganza split between two dynamic USB Type-C ports that practically scream efficiency. And don't be fooled by the 18-watt USB type of port's modest appearance. It's a force to be reckoned with, capable of serving up a robust 100-watt alongside its USB Type-C comrades. An eye-popping charging speed of up to 140 watt is the name of the game here, though my rendezvous with Anker's GA and Prime 737 charger led me to a still impressive 90-watt charge rate. In a blink, this charging powerhouse rockets from empty to brimming in roughly an hour, leaving conventional charging times green with envy. While the PowerCore 24K shows off its flashy OLED display during charging, it's not just about looks. Behold a wealth of information, the countdown to full charge, the wattage dancing through the cables, and the ever-so-precious battery percentage. A nifty bonus. This battery juggernaut can lend a hand while it's getting a boost itself, like a multitasking maestro. A little dance with my iPhone through port 2, cue the USB Type-C to Lightning cable, while port 1 waltzed with the GA and Prime adapter revealed a harmonious 15-watt charge rate for the phone. Beware though, a game of plug and unplug while serving power to another device is met with a momentary power pause. Blame the mechanics as it toggles between sipping from the cells and the upstream supply. A makeshift UPS, it is not. Now let's address the quirks in the realm of USB Type-C C1 and C2. Both seemingly equals, yet my Starlight laptop seemed to play favorites with C2 for a juicier 31 mAh charge. But wait, there's more. These enigmatic USB Type-C devices sometimes unveil compatibility hiccups. And that's where the 24K's OLED magic comes in handy, diagnosing and troubleshooting like a tech-savvy detective. Here's where things get real, a laptop soaking in a tilled 30-watt bath, joined by a smartphone sipping at 6 to 7 watt, paints a picture of roughly 2.5 hours before the lights dim. Hold up, this is not just any screen time, it's charging a laptop, not babysitting its mere survival. But let's not disregard the PowerCore 24K's ace up its sleeve, rescuing a VR enthusiast in a Meta Quest 2 jam. With a strategic backpack placement and a generous USB Type-C to C lifeline, that pesky battery drain during downtime meets its match. Yes, those add-on batteries have their charms, but who needs that extra weight crowning their VR escapades? OLED. Hold on to your tech seats because the PowerCore 24K's OLED display is a lot more than a flashy gimmick. Think of it as your personal battery command center, a data-packed dashboard that spills all the battery's secrets, keeping you in the loop like a seasoned pro. Hit the side button, a gentle tap, and boom. Welcome to the main stage, a mesmerizing circular graph showing your battery's current capacity, complete with a precise percentage right at its core. But that's not all. Just below this captivating sight, you're treated to the ETA for a full charge or discharge, customized to your energy expedition. And don't forget to look right, where USB ports C1, C2, and a strike a pose, revealing their charge direction and wattage in one quick sweep of the eye. Hold up the OLED as a surprise in store. Though it usually nods off after a quick data sip, a bit of button magic can keep it awake. A meager 0.36 watt price to pay for a front row seat to your power consumption spectacle. This nifty trick could be a game changer for camera setups in tandem with monitoring power usage. Consider it your tech backstage pass. But wait, there's more with the second tap of that side button. It's like cracking open a battery treasure chest. Celsius and Fahrenheit battery temperature, battery health, the grand total of watt hours in and out battery cycles, and a fun little extra. A cheeky tally of OLED screen appearances. A quirky testament to your digital dalliances. Round 3 unveils the OLED's autonomy toggle, the 2-second press you decide when the curtain falls on this display party. Hold on, there's a tech twist. An unanticipated accelerometer feature flips the screen when the battery goes topsy-turvy. A neat move, though a full pirouette isn't on the menu. Now let's talk reality check. As much as the OLED dazzles, this pixel extravaganza isn't free. That costs you a mere 0.36 watts. Anker's touch of brilliance also brings a smidge of inconvenience as the battery's stable stance denies us a complete rotational visual show. During its moments of slumber, a single tap brings the OLED to life, displaying a simple capacity graph and percentage snapshot, a subtle reminder of the power within. The PowerCore 24K's OLED display isn't just a pretty face, it's your backstage pass to a power-packed experience. As you navigate this dance of taps and toggles, remember, great power brings an OLED tale that's enlightening and occasionally a tad intricate. Whether you're a numbers wizard or just seeking a sneak peek into your battery's soul, this display is your ticket to an energy extravaganza. Overview. And there you have it. Anker's PowerCore 24K stands tall as a true high-end portable battery. This beast can grant an extra hour or two to your USB Type-C laptop or keep 2 iPhones fully charged for those action-packed days away, even during a bustling hospital stay. Well, let's talk about the star of the show, that OLED wizardry. Far from a fancy add-on, it's a blend of reassurance and diagnostics, subtly tucked into the battery's design like a hidden treasure. Sure, it's not the slimmest kid on the block, but the PowerCore 24K has swiftly become our trusty sidekick, always packing enough punch to rescue a dying phone. However, let's address the quirks. Port labeling? Well, it's a puzzle, and the occasional confusion over which port plays nice with your charging needs might raise a few eyebrows. Just remember, for recharging the battery, it's a one-way ticket to the top, specifically through the C1 port. Now here's the deal, the PowerCore 24K comes with a price tag that demands attention, currently set at a robust £140. Yes, it's a hefty investment, but the top-notch build quality, lightning-fast recharge times that will make your head spin, and the wealth of insights from the detailed OLED display make every penny feel well spent. So fellow tech explorers, we hope this journey through the PowerCore 24K shed light on its prowess. Armed with this sleek powerhouse, you'll be ready to tackle any charging challenge that comes your way. Until next time, stay charged and tech-tastic. Catch you in the next one.